This is the OWrap. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Armed men reportedly shot and killed 53-year-old Wayne Baldy, a Jamaica Labour Party activist and promoter in Bayside, Portmore in St. Catherine on Sunday night. Reports are that about 8:20 p.m., Baldy was playing dominoes when he was pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire. He was the only person killed. The Bridgeport police are investigating. Firefighters had to remove padlocks from the gates of Anchovy High School in St. James, allowing students and staff members to gain entry. The gates were padlocked early Monday morning by disgruntled Ancillary staff workers. The workers restricted access to the school to call attention to concerns they have about a member of the school's administrative staff. Among their complaints is the late payment of salaries. They are calling for the staff member to be replaced with immediate effect. A ramp attendant was taken into custody following a drug seizure at the Sangster International Airport in St. James on Sunday night. According to Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron, commanding officer for the Ports Division, 1 kilogram of a white powdery substance resembling cocaine was found in the man's presence at a security checkpoint at the airport. The drug was found when the accused man attempted to enter the grounds of the airport in a vehicle operated by the Ground and Cargo Handling Company to which he is employed. The Narcotics Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is investigating. The estimated street value of the cocaine found is $1 million Jamaican dollars. And in sport, Ramnaresh Sarwan has quit abruptly as a men's senior selector just 5 months into his 2.5-year term, leaving Cricket West Indies scrambling to find a replacement. The former West Indies captain, who also sat on the youth selection panels, was appointed last January and was expected to serve in the role until June 2024. But CWI said Monday he had resigned his post due to personal reasons. Robert Haynes, the current chief men's youth selector, will be the interim replacement for Sarwan until CWI completes the search for a permanent candidate. And in regional news, St. Vincent and the Grenadines Prime Minister Dr. Ralph Gonsalves Monday said that United States President Joe Biden has no right in deciding who or which countries are invited to the Summit of the Americas next month, hinting that St. Vincent will probably not be attending the June 6 to 10 event. Caribbean leaders are still undecided as to whether or not they will boycott the summit if Washington goes ahead with its plans not to invite the leaders of Cuba, Venezuela, and Nicaragua to the event. Gonsalves said as it pertains to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the island will certainly not be represented by the Prime Minister unless these 3 countries are invited. This has been the OWrap. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.